Okay, this question is from November 2017, right? Paper 1-2, question number 18. What does this question say? You need to understand this. An open rectangle tray has inside measurement 11, 6, and 5, right? Calculate the total surface area of the four-sided and the base of the tray. Now, four-sided and the base. So, what does it mean? This means that the top is not there. So, if the top is not there, so how are we going to say that means the shape contains base, right hand side wall, back hand side wall, then left hand side value, and the front side. It does not have the top. So if it does not have the top, so how are we going to write it down? Length into breadth, because it's just one, whereas all the other things will be what? Length into h plus front and back, and breadth into h. That means right and left. This is for front and back, this is for right and left, and this is for just the bottom. So 11 into 6 plus 11 into 5 plus 2, 6 into 5. So the answer for this should be 236. Part 2. Cube are placed in the tray and a lid is placed on the top. Now there is a cubes are placed in the tray and a lid is placed on the top. Each cube has an edge of 2 centimeter. Each cube has an edge of what? 2 centimeter. And find the maximum number of cubes that can be placed in the tray. Now, number of the trays that can fill in, you need to understand this. This is 2 centimeter, right? So, if I have length, and I have length of what? I have length of 11. So, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So, total of 5 cubes can be placed when I'm talking about length. Right? When I'm talking about length, total of 5 cubes can be kept, because 11 is the length, but the cube length is 2, 2, 2, 2. Similarly, if we just work upon the width is 6. So in this width, 2, 2, and 2, how many cubes can be placed? 3. So let's just say 5 cubes can come here, 3 cubes can come here, and then we have height as well. So automatically we know that 2 cubes can come in height, because it's just about 2 and 2. Out of 5, only 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. That means 4 will be used. Out of 11, 10 centimeter will be used. Out of 6, all the 6 will be used. So since I have these total values, so what I need to say, number of total cubes. Number of total cubes, right? Will be 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2, which will be 30 cubes will be used. Which means 30 cubes will be used, because it will be placed on each other. Till here, if you need to understand that all the three, your first lane, your second lane, and the third lane, right? So this is the first, second, and third lane. So if you understand, this will give you 5, 5, and 5. So in total, it is 15. Then since obviously height has two lanes will be created. One, so first lane was 3. The other lane will be 3 as well. So that means 15, 15 will be what? 30. You can either do it in this way, or you can just take out the total number of cubes through the width, length, and height, and then you can multiply. You can get the total number. So this was November 2017, paper 1-2, question number 31 from the book.